Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to loop video on iPhone. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So, first of all, find the video you want to loop, click on select in the top right, and select it. After it's selected, go down to the bottom right and click on the three dots and click on slideshow. Then just tap on your screen and click on option in the bottom right. Firstly, you can turn the music off. After that, you can switch on repeat, press done. You're going to notice that this video is repeating, as you can see. If you want to save this, just click on your screen, it will go and hide top and bottom bar. And then you can just go and screen record it. So that's it. That is how to loop a video on iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.